Hey guys, Chris here with Cable Bullet, and today we are partnering up with Habitat for Humanity. We're going to be installing some railing on their build in our hometown of Warsaw, and we're also going to talk to some people that have generously donated their time to help make this project a reality.
A lot of people know Habitat. We're the people who build homes, right? So Habitat's a large organization of a lot of networks, the same mission, vision, and values that you see across the country and across the globe. But we bring that here within the local context of Kosciuszko County. We build with families who want to make the jump to home ownership. We walk them through the process. We bring volunteers, we bring donations, we bring expertise. And at the end of the day, they actually become homeowners with us through an affordable mortgage. On the construction site, I have one full-time construction manager, Dennis, and everyone else on the construction site is a volunteer. So often you'll see him leading 10 to 20 volunteers at a time. And that's kind of the beauty of it, is that there's a lot of people that donate their time and talent and treasure to making this a reality.
We do have the fortunate opportunity that we have a lot of people that show up. A lot of them retired that have worked a variety of jobs. So it's very helpful. There's a lot of families out there that need homes, and this is going to help us get them in a home much faster.
This will be our 35th home. So we're just about 1 to 2 homes a year, hoping to grow that very, very soon. Right now we have over 1,000 hours of volunteer labor put into this home, and we raised $100,000 to build it in entirety. This home is being built for Missy. She's a single grandmother, often has her grandchildren to look after as well, kind of part-time. But she's been with us for a little while. She's just excited to get out of the higher rent, obviously low stability security of a trailer into a new home.
Fortunately, this house is running a little bit more smoothly, but it's just been the supply and demand chain. Some of the things that we need are hard to get. That gets frustrating, but it is what it is. You got to do what you have to do to get it done.
We have groups, we have individuals. They come from everywhere. So we have people who are retired that help more during the week. We have the building trades from the local school systems come out. We have groups from businesses, from churches. If anyone's ever interested, they can jump on our website and sign up and get connected and learn more. We have volunteers and donations and sponsorships that come from all across the community, and it all comes together as kind of a community-wide effort of people coming together and building a home for a family.